Hi guys, ito po yung apo ko. My granddaughter, Latibia, having an asthma, regular nebulizing for every 6 hours. Hi Leleng! You feel okay? Gagano ka, thumbs up. Okay, okay. Awawa naman ang apo ko. Ayan, nagne-nebulize guys. Ayan oh, kita nyo. Ang dami, allergy sa food. Ano lang guys, yung pili ang makain niya. Do you feel good? Thumbs up. If you feel good, thumbs up. Ah, feel good daw siya. Magbabay ka na, magbabay ka na, Leng. Thank you for watching. Bye.